Hi guys, my name is Shivram. If you are a coach or a course creator, this video is for you. So last 1.5 years, I have been working with many coaches, and I have found and summarized the problem and what solutions we have got. And I would love to share this with you. If you can relate to this, you can reach out to me, and we can discuss problem. We can share our ideas, and we can probably do something together, which can get you and me better results. So let me share a small presentation here where I have summarized my thoughts and my experience. So, so are you still following the old way of coaching? That is the topic of the video. And if you're still following, then this video is for you. So I'll be presenting something called the Evergreen Profit Funnel Framework for Coaches at the end of this presentation. Before that, let us go and see what is the paradox. Paradox is, you probably, many of you have left your job, stopped your traditional business, or probably reduced your effort on your traditional business or job or something, with a hope that you can become a very very successful coach and have a passive income and so many things. So what was the promise? The promise which is given to you, uh, not by any specific person, but that is which is there on the internet, which is happening anywhere else, and may not be like a false promise. But what is promised to you is more freedom, more time for yourself, more profit from a digital product or a coaching program. You will have get passive income. Personally, I don't believe anything is passive, everything is active. And everything will be in auto mode, and you will put less effort and get more results. So people normally come to this uh, business mostly for this, and I'm sure you will agree to all of them, or at least some of them. Now what happens is, it doesn't happen actually this way. So it is, you need to be deeply involved to create content, to create courses, to manage ads, to follow up people. To if you even if you are delegating it to somebody, you have to be involved. So you have less time for other stuff. I have seen coaches who have actually compromised their existing business or profession to create content and create attend classes and be busy for 5 days a week or something, then again start it next day next week with a new batch or something. So less time for yourself, which is a bad thing. You have either less or no profit, and your income is proportionate to your effort. That is a sad part. And you need personal time for yourself so that you can spend time for yourself, and also you can create content to scale your business. But that doesn't happen because you are always busy taking workshops, doing the classes, all this stuff. And it is ultimately more results and less more efforts and less results. If you can relate up to this point, if you relate to this point, please proceed. And if you cannot relate to this video is not for you. You are already doing good. Congratulations. So now the problem here is sustainability, that every business needs a sustainable model where the business funds itself and it grows. Okay, you will never like to be a sapling or a small plant. You have to grow as a tree. If you're not growing in a sustainable way, then that is a problem. Profitability is another issue. If your business is not profitable, it will not last for long. It will die. If you are not able to scale up, even if you are making a small profit or no profit, or you have a plan to grow, if you're not able to replicate that, if you are not able to make a bigger product or a bigger ticket price product or a next level product, then it is a problem. If you are getting less number of people in the next level of product, that is also a problem. If your funnel stops after a certain steps, then it is also a problem. So scalability is always a issue, always an issue. Now, actually, are you running it on auto mode? Whatever many people say that we run it on auto mode, or you will run it on auto mode. This will be a passive income. It doesn't happen, my friend. So if you're not doing, then you are actually trading your time, resources, and money to make more money, which is as good as doing a traditional job or doing any other stuff. Now time is changing, and if you're stuck with the same old model, which started in the US 3.5 or 4 years back, came to India 2 years back, and you are hoping that this is going to change, it is not going to change. It is not going to make you profitable. Another thing, if you started your course during the lockdown time, or if you started it when people had more time or more personal time and they were attending webinar, workshops, and learning actively, the time had changed. People are back to normal. They have acquired the skill, they have moved on, and they do not want to experiment in every course that comes to them, basically. So time and situation is changing, and we need to change. There has to be dynamic stuff, and we need to be dynamic. So you need something which is future ready. Future ready means it can last for at least 2 years, 3 years from now if you start now. Something which is scalable, which you can make it bigger. Something which has to be profitable, which is actually auto mode. Once you set up, it actually works on auto mode. You don't have to manually do workshop, manually take classes, do Zoom calls and all this stuff, right? Which is predictable. If you have like, let's say you have set up a model and you have got some result, you can know if I put more effort, it will either increase or give me more profit, which is replicable. If you have successfully done one model and got results, you can replicate it. This is not possible if you are trading your time with money, right? You cannot, like, make more time per day, but you can have 5 funnels at a time if you have more products. So these 5 parameters are the important matrices and important pillars of the evergreen profit funnel systems, which we have implemented for some coaches and got some result. So this is how we get it through the evergreen profit funnels. So build and scale coach funnels, which are evergreen, predictable, and true freedom for creators. This gives the true freedom for the creators. And because of these factors, it is scalable, it is profitable, it is auto mode, into truly auto mode actually. It is predictable and it is replicable. You can create multiple businesses. And now we will say that what is the proof? Okay. So we did not do, like, we did not have 100 clients as an agency or as a consultant. I did not work with 100 clients and sold the same thing. I gave time to one businesses for 17 months in a stretch, and I have scaled a single 2000 rupees product to 1.45 crores revenue. Single 1999 product to be precise. And all that the video creator, all the course creator had to do is record a 1.5 hours of the free webinar. Later we made it a paid webinar with a low cost, and it was on auto mode. Then yeah, we also asked the course creator to shoot some videos which we can add in the, we can use for the ads also. And the last one is the course which is of 4 hours. So free webinar, some videos, some photos, and the actual course. So that is all the course creator had to do. And if you want to see, this is the funnel captured for few months data. One of the webinar we have been doing for quite some time, and this is a simple model, but works best because we have taken care of the rest of the things. So people come from Instagram and Facebook, come to a landing page, register for a free webinar. From the free webinar, they watch the webinar, then they once they finish the product is priced, product is 2000 rupees product. They go to the payment page and they purchase. So it's roughly 1.2% conversions, completely automatic. So this is the basic flow of the evergreen webinar model. Of course, it's not so simple. Yeah, there are elements to it. What we need to do to get these people, what we need to put here, what happens inside the webinar, what automation we do, how we engage the audiences. All these things are part of this, but yes, it is doable. And these are the actual numbers, basically. This is for a small time period. And this is real time data. So, and this is the screenshot of the revenue of 1999 product. So sometimes we give discounts also. Sometimes people use the coupon codes also. So this is not a 1999 into 7,910. There is a discrepancy here. Also, like, we also tested. Initially, it was a free webinar. Then it was a 99 webinar, auto webinar. So that numbers are also there somewhere here. So it is real, and people are getting money here. So this is through InstaMojo, and close to 54 lakhs came through Paytm and Google Pay also. So we shared the QR code in the webinar and people scan and pay. So that is a result which we have got for one client, and now we have started implementing for other clients, and it is working. That is why I have the confidence to share it in front of you, that it works. It actually works, and we have free, proof. We have social, no, not the social proof, but we have proof. We have clients. Right now there are 13 clients whom we are serving as an agency, and it works. So what is guaranteed apart from the result I showed for somebody else? So hectic model to easy model 100%. It is a scalable model. You can make it bigger. It is a predictable model because numbers are involved. Suppose if there is a 5% conversion, if you want to increase it, you can change it. Less involvement for sure, 100% less involvement, because you'll be focusing only on creating content for the ads, at all, if at all, and for your website, which anyway you need to do to make it evergreen. Less involvement, 100%, easy to duplicate. That is the biggest part. If you have got one funnel, right, you can make it, you can duplicate it to multiple funnels, and without replicating your uh, mm, replicating your efforts, basically, right? So if this makes sense, guys, what I request you to drop a mail to srm@budget.in. That is my email ID. We will send you a questionnaire. My team will send you a questionnaire. And if based on the questionnaire and goals, we'll craft a draft plan. And if it is a doable model, we can actually schedule a call and take it forward. My submission is, do not get stuck. Do not follow others blindly. Do not be one of the persons who are actually following somebody who is already successful. Now you will tell that you are showing me a successful model, and you are telling that I can also use this. Now do not follow somebody's model blindly. If it works for somebody 1 year back or 2 years back or 6 months back, and then don't get stuck, because so many other people are also doing, your competitors are also doing. To create something which is unique and which can be scalable, which can be profitable. And I'm there to help you out in this process, and I have a team of 22 people who can help you out with the process. So if you are looking forward to scale your business, coaching business specifically, do let me know. I'll be happy to have a conversation with you. Thank you.